Hey loves, welcome back to another wash and go series. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this beautiful defined half up half down look using Wakati hair products. Let's get right into it. Of course, I'm going in by shampooing my hair first with the Wakati Sulfate-Free shampoo, delivering a balanced cleanse and also gently removing any product buildup to prep my hair for optimal conditioning. I'm focusing on the scalp and working that shampoo down my hair shaft. And y'all, this smells really good. And when I tell you got my hair squeaky clean, my hair was ready to go with the styling. Just look at that. Next, I'm going in with a very generous amount of the Water Activated Advanced Conditioner. And I love this because it really helped cut down my detangling process in half. So as I applied that all over my hair, I was able to easily just glide through because the slip was amazing on this conditioner. It was so good that honestly, I really didn't even have to detangle with my brush. I really just could have finger detangled. So this is how my hair is looking after I've shampooed and conditioned. And this is a bit of a sleek half up half down look because I decided to do the little sleek headband look that I usually do with my wash and goes in the front, and I opted in for a side part with this one. So a very deep side part swoop, and then I'm also going to separate the half up half down back section in half. Going in with my spray bottle filled with water, I'm just going to reactivate my curls before I apply the Wakati Oil-Infused cream. Now this smells amazing, and this will be my base product for my wash and go. I love this oil-infused cream because it helps seal in moisture, and it did a really good job kind of pre-defining my curls before I added my styler on top, which I like because it also really helped with cutting down the frizz and also cutting down the time on defining the curls. So it was a win-win situation. It smells amazing too and has a lot of shine. Now I applied this oil-infused cream in every section before my styler on top, and I made sure to kind of apply it in smaller sections to make sure it was evenly dispersed. And then I went in with my denim brush and simply just defining the curls. Now in the back section, I do like to kind of encourage the curl to be a little bit more springy by finger coiling them. Now I don't finger coil every single section, but mainly focusing on the back section the most. And this is how it looks. I love that. You guys see how it still has like that white product peeking through, but don't be alarmed. It's going to dry down and it's going to be very shiny when it dries down and defined. Now for the top section, I did a little bit differently when it comes to applying and defining my hair. So right here, I'm kind of just figuring out how much hair I actually want to be inside the top section. And then I'm going to pin away the bottom so it doesn't get tangled up while I'm defining the top section. Then I simply just kind of divide it in half because this part was pretty thick. I'm going to reapply some water, and then I'm going to apply the oil-infused cream. And I'm going to make sure I detangle that throughout all of this section. So starting with one side and then working my way to the other. And then I'm going to comb it all together and then define just the ponytail section. Now moving on to the front sleek part, I just take the oil-infused cream and apply it to both sections. Now I am going to go in and kind of straighten that curved part up just a little bit more. But after I applied the oil-infused cream, I just detangle it and then make sure I sleek it as much as possible. Now you can add gel or foaming mousse on top if you want it to be super duper sleek. But once I apply that to both sections, I just take a small rubber band and I tie that at the back of the bottom section of my hair. I love how this looks wet as well. I love the idea that it's pinned out of my face, but I still get to let the curls flow out a bit. So I'm going to go in with my edge brush and just kind of work on my edges a little bit. And then I am going to tie down the sleek top section. And of course, I'm going to go in and diffuse my hair. Now, this was actually really fast to diffuse because there's not as much hair out. So all I'm simply doing is cupping my hair upwards and making sure I really lay it there for a good amount of time just to make sure the inside is fully dry since it is kind of out of the way. But I love this hairstyle. This is perfect for the summertime, especially in the hot heat if you don't want your hair all out in your face. So I did add some gold bobby pins on the side where the swoop is. Like, look at the definition, you guys. I'm going to go in with the water activating or reactivating conditioning mist. And this is just to kind of help liven up my curls again, especially after I slept with the bonnet on. But I'm obsessed with this hairstyle. Like, this is going to be a go-to hairstyle in the summer. Like, look at the definition. The shine is there, the hold is there, and I love that. And the fact that the oil-infused cream also helps control frizz is perfect for the summertime. Wakati, meaning time in Swahili, gives women the space to respect where their hair has been and embrace the places they want it to go. The Wakati hair care line is centered around saving you time on wash day, creating memorable experiences, and empowering diverse communities. And as a HBCU alumna of Florida A&M University, this entire line is near and dear to my heart, with its roots starting at FAMU. So make sure you guys check out the Wakati Full Hydration Collection and let me know what you think of this sleek, half up, half down wash and go in the comment section down below. And I'll chat with you soon in my next video. Bye!